Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Romani and today I'm going to be showing you how to do some rope twists on your locks. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and y'all, my locks are getting so long. In about 2 months it'll be 3 years locked, so that's really exciting. But I'm just going to start sectioning my hair off. I really made sure to show y'all the back because so many people ask me how I retwist the back of my hair, and y'all already know my parts is kind of crazy, so bear with me. But I'm just gonna take 2 locks, and right now I'm separating it. So I already told y'all in previous videos that when you have locks, your locks begin to grow into each other, so you have to separate them before you begin retwisting. And then I'm going to take a comb and just start combing through that new growth just to make sure there are no tangles. And now I begin the retwisting. I always palm roll my hair. It's just what works for the texture and the thickness of my lock. And right now I'm not using any gel. I am going to use some gel at the front of my head, but I figure nobody can really see these back here, so I don't use any product back here. And I actually combined a few of my locks, so this is 2 locks in 1. So if you have a combined lock, don't worry, you can still do rope twists. You're still going to treat that lock as if it was just 1 lock. So you can see me twisting, and I'm not going to separate them or anything. I'm just going to act like it is 1 lock all the way down. And now I'm going to use my hand as a placeholder to see where I want it to stop, and then I begin to wrap the bottom of the lock around itself. And after that, I'm taking a rubber band and putting it through a cowrie shell and just looping it around itself, and then I'm going to wrap that around the end. And now I'm going to repeat that same process on all the locks in the back of my head. I do know that it is common for us to feel a little discouraged when it comes to doing the back of our hair, and that kind of makes people not really want to do their hair at all. But I promise you, you can do it. You can even use a mirror, but for the most part, just feel around your hair. Like, you know your hair better than anybody else, so you're more than capable of doing it. And y'all see, I mean, my retwist isn't perfect in the back of my head, especially since I'm not using gel. I mean, it looks a little fuzzy and the parts could be a little bit better, but it is what it is. Like, just feel around your hair, and the more that you begin to do it, it will become easier for you. Side note, y'all, I cannot wait until this color grows out my hair. Like, y'all see the top of my lock is so thick, and then the bottom where the color is so freaking thin. And this part right here, I don't know why it was so tangled, but if you experience extreme tangles, please make sure you wet your hair. Me, I get a little bit impatient and I just start ripping through, but please make sure you wet your hair. But back to this color in my hair. So many people ask me, like, you know, Romani, should I dye my hair? I always advise against dyeing your hair, and I've made so many videos about it. I'll link some below where I just talked about why I'm not dyeing my locks again. But low-key, I was thinking about dyeing the ends, so not dyeing the black part, but just dyeing where it's already colored, because since it's so light, I feel like I could put any color over it. And I mean, that part is already damaged at this point, so I don't know, I just don't even care. I was thinking about maybe doing like purple at the ends or burgundy at the ends, but I'm also kind of indecisive, so we might not do anything. Alright, so this is how the back looks. I told y'all it's not perfect, but it is what it is. And now we're moving on to the front. So at this point, my hair was a little dry, so I had to spray it with some water. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to comb through it. But the only thing that I'm doing differently is I'm using gel, since this is the front of my hair now. And I'm using this gel from 4C Only. I'm going to link it in the description box below. Y'all know I was low-key against putting products in my locks, but I don't know. Like, once I started using this gel, and this video is not even sponsored, but once I started using this gel, it just started making my locks a little bit sleeker, and I liked how it looked. Like, I know y'all see a clear difference between me retwisting this lock and me retwisting my hair in the back of my head. And it doesn't really cause product buildup. I do try not to use too much gel in my locks though. And per usual, I'm going to repeat that on all the locks in the front of my head. It is going to be a little bit different because I'm kind of doing a different kind of like side part. So now I'm going to retwist my hair towards the back rather than like towards the side of my face. And this was actually my first time doing it. I saw a girl on Pinterest with the hairstyle, so I figured, you know, why not? If you have some locks that are shorter than the others, don't worry. I didn't like that this one had to be so short because I was trying to do all my twists the same length, but one of the locks was just like entirely too short, so I just had to wrap one lock around the entire twist. And I mean, it didn't come out bad. I didn't want it like that, but you know, it is what it is. That's my motto. So I continue to repeat that process all on the front of my hair, and this is the finished look. I'm so glad that you made it to the end of this video, and I hope that this really helped you, you know, master a new style. Please make sure that you like and comment and share this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box below, and I will see you in my next video.